Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share a very easy, simple, layered Lachha Paratha recipe. Let's get started. In a bowl, I have taken 3 cups of all-purpose flour, that is maida. To that I have added 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of sugar. In a small bowl, I have taken 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of butter melted together. If you don't have butter, you can also add ghee or clarified butter. Give it a good mix. I am using wooden spoon to mix the dough. I have taken nice steaming hot water to mix the dough. That is why I am using the wooden spoon. For making the very soft layered Lachha Paratha, important 2 ingredients are butter and steaming hot water to mix the dough. Otherwise the dough will be very hard and the rotis will be very stretchy and hard. To keep it nice and soft, we use nice steaming hot water and butter. These 2 ingredients do not skip. Those who are non-vegetarians can also add 1 egg. That will enhance the taste and also the softness. But that doesn't mean that this dough will not be soft. This also will be equally soft. Nicely knead the dough well and keep it aside for 20 minutes to rest. Now after 20 minutes, I am going to nicely knead this dough for 10 minutes. This is also a very important step. Kneading the dough again and again will also make the dough very stretchy, nice, soft, and layers will be apart. The paratha will be very soft. I'm dividing the dough into small equal portions. Keep it aside. And now in a bowl I have taken 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of butter melted together in the microwave, and I'm adding 1 teaspoon of all-purpose flour and half a teaspoon of corn flour. If you mix corn flour a lot, the layers will be more crispier, but I want very less crispy but softer too. So mix all this together, keep it aside ready. Now we'll take small doughs and nicely stretch them. Roll them with rolling pin with the help of some flour. Roll the sheets into very thin layers, very thin that it should be very transparent. Now apply that oil and flour mix which we prepared. Nicely grease it and give long, very thin slits. Very thin slits. Make a nice rolling dough like a knot and keep aside. We will prepare all the dough like this into small patties. If you have party or next day, you can prepare it ahead of time and keep it in airtight container in the fridge. It is time tested. It was really giving a fresh taste. At this point, that's what I told, if you want it for the next day, this way you can store it in fridge and keep it in room temperature before frying. You don't need to use the rolling pin to roll this dough. You can just press it with your fingers or with your palm and make nice parathas. Now itself we can see all the layers. Now fry it on heated tawa, nice and hot, medium to high, not low. I'll grease once again. This greasing helps fry the rotis fast. Do give a pat of this way how I'm showing it. That will separate all the layers. See nice how soft and layered this roti is. You can see so many layers. The paratha is ready. This paratha is very tasty and soft, which can be always served with any types of curry like paneer masala or chicken curry or mutton curry, egg curry. I am just serving with plain curry. Hope you all like it. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.